you ever seen a residential project inspired by Japan Day living and 71% of open space, a 1.5 acre of water bodies, and a thoughtfully designed home? So you get TVS Altura by TVS Emerald. Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to Housey. This is your host Jetal and today we'll be doing the complete project overview of TVS Altura by TVS Emerald located in Satnur, Tani, Sandra. And right now we are here on the actual site of the project, so let me show you the surrounding. Here will be the main entrance of our project. Once you enter, the land parcel starts from here and the marketing office which is ready inside over here where you can check out the 3D model and even the module flat which is ready just for you. Now before starting the video, let me introduce you all with Housey. So Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers resulting in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry now because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now, by the end of this video, you'll be knowing about the project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount, offers and many more. So stay tuned until the end. Now let's start with the project overview via 3D model. TVS Altura is spread across 10.6 acres, consisting of 12 towers, rising from 2 basement ground plus 12 floors. This project is a perfect combo of open space, aesthetics and community living, where you can choose between 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 3 BHK Lux premium residencies. Now let's discuss about the location part where our project is located bang on Baglur main road in Satnur, Tani, Sandra. So let me show you the neighborhood of our project and I'm standing on the main entrance where this will be the main entrance of our project and here is the Baglur main road. So this is the Baglur main road and this road will connect you towards Baglur and the opposite side road will take you towards Belleri main road. Now about the further connectivity part, so you can connect to Rewa University in just 1 kilometer. 2.5 kilometers away from Baglur metro station and Satwa Horizon, that is 2.6 kilometers away from our project. Coming to the amenities part, and this project offers you 35 plus curated amenities for everybody. A Japandi themed clubhouse, party lawn, gymnasium, 1.5 acre of man-made pond, swimming pool, community spaces and much more luxurious amenities. Now here I would like to discuss something with you all. If you are looking to buy a home in Bangalore, then here's a strong recommendation. Housey is here with its new series called Rights of Home Buyer. Many home buyers don't exactly know what their rights are. For example, if you book a home by paying a token amount and later on try to cancel your booking, here how much amount a builder can legally deduct. Or else even after a possession there is any construction related issue in your project, is builder liable for the same or not? All this is explained in a very simple and easy manner in our series. So before you buy a home, you must watch this series once. The link of our series is mentioned in the description link below and even in the I button. Now let's discuss about the super built up area. So as mentioned, this project offers you 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 3 BHK Lux homes. 2 BHK here starts from 1174 and goes up to 1227 square feet. 3 BHK homes of 1558 to 1901 square feet. And 3 BHK Lux, that's 2133 square feet super built up area. Now coming to the booking process, and currently our project booking window is open now. So we are inviting all our interested clients to come and visit our site, where our sales team will explain the complete project detail via project 3D model. We'll share the payment and pricing scheme and we'll show you the model apartment as well. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the booking. So everyone, this was the complete project overview of TVS Altura by TVS Emerald located in Satnur, Tani, Sandra. If you're looking for more details of the project, click on the link below to download e-brochure and price sheet.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.